Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through why Widgetsmith is not working on your iPhone. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So if Widgetsmith is not working on your iPhone, here are some common issues and fixes. So first, you just need to check the Widgetsmith permission. Widgetsmith needs access to photos, location, calendar and health depending on the widget type. Like if you want to fix it, you just need to go to your settings of your iPhone, scroll down and tap the Widgetsmith, enable the necessary permissions like photos, location, calendar and health. And so the another option is you need to make sure that your internet connection is highly connected to your device so that you won't face any kind of internet issues while using Widgetsmith app. So make sure your internet connection is very high and stable. And another one is there might be various updates available in your app. So to update your app, you just need to go to your app store. So this is the very first homepage of this app. To search the app, you just need to click on the option search, which is available at the very bottom right of this page. Click on the option search and search the related app, which is Widgetsmith. So here is the app Widgetsmith. You just need to click on this app icon and see whether any kinds of updates available in this app or not. If it is available, you just need to click on the option update and update your app on the latest version on your device. If not, then you can just skip it. And now there is another option, which is settings. Go to your settings and go to the option general and click on the option iPhone storage. Now from here you just need to select your app, which is Widgetsmith here, and here you can see now you just need to click on the option offload app, which is highlighted in color blue. Click on this offload app, again click on the offload app, and after that your reinstall app will be available here. You just need to tap on this reinstall app, tap on this and your app will be reinstalled within a few seconds on a device again, and then you won't face any kind of login error issues or issues while customizing your widget in Widgetsmith app. You can also restart your phone. This is a very simple restart, can fix widgets issues like just need to press and hold the power plus volume up buttons on newer iPhone, or just the power button and slide the turn off on your iPhone and turn it back on after a few seconds and your app will be refreshed. And there is one more option, which is refresh widgets on the home screen. You can also refresh home screen by swiping up little up at the very bottom of this page and clean your all the recently used apps so that you won't face any kind of issues while customizing your widget in your Widgetsmith app. So these are the options to fix those issues. So final tip is, if Widgetsmith still is not working, let me know what issues you are facing. Example, photos not showing, widgets not updating, and I will help you troubleshoot in our. So final tip is, if Widgetsmith is still not working, let me know what issues you are facing. Like you might face the issues like example, photos not showing, widgets not updating, and I will help you troubleshoot in our next videos according to your comments. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.